of this really easy makeup tutorial doing a red, white, and blue eye, which is perfect for the holiday and for your summertime needs. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So you're probably thinking, I don't have any red, white, and blue makeup. Well, you probably do. So I'm gonna show you a bunch of red, white, and blue makeup I actually currently have in my palette. But just to let you know, for this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette right here. I absolutely love this from Morphe. And I just used this red color right here and then also this blue. What's really fun about with a red color is that you could really choose if you have more of a burgundy red, like that would be beautiful as well. This palette from Juvia's Place, again, really beautiful kind of more muted red right here with this blue. Take me back to Brazil. I love this palette by BH Cosmetics. You have red and blues there. And then my favorite newest palette, of course, the Beauty Glaze from Amazon. This is $16.99. Absolutely love this. And of course, there's red and then there's blues in this palette. So you really cannot lose. Just take a little look. You may have some colors. And let's just roll through this tutorial. Okay, so a product that I like to use to lighten up my eye base is actually this concealer from Essence. It's called Camouflage and it's matte. And I actually have this, I think, in the lightest color possible. And then I'm using the bottom of my beauty blender to kind of pat it out. You, of course, can use any concealer that is lighter or, you know, just to make it pop a little bit more. I mean, I just kind of dab it on there, use the butt, and just kind of like lightly pat it all around. And you'll see just how beautiful. We're gonna be starting with the red on the outer part. So I'm actually gonna be using two brushes, one from e.l.f., which is right here, and then actually one from Profusion right here. Just got started with these makeup brushes. They are so amazing. I highly recommend them. All right, so now I'm gonna go into my palette, grab a little bit of red. You know, this is gonna be super fun. You're just gonna pat it down. Really, we're gonna be going over and like fluffing it out. So we're just kind of really putting it in this corner. So now I'm taking the Profusion, which is a little fluffier, but it's actually it's called Pointed Crease. And I'm just gonna kind of go over it and then kind of just fluff it out. Okay, so that's fine for now. We're probably gonna mess with it, of course. So now we're gonna go into the blue really quickly. So again, I'm gonna be using another brush from e.l.f. This is the detailed crease brush right here. Going into the blue and just going right in the inside corner of the eye. And of course, kind of bringing it up almost like you're gonna be doing a cut crease. Okay, perfect. This is just good for now. So now, since I have this already in my hand, I'm gonna take the blue again and I'm gonna drag it on the opposite corner of my eye. And then kind of fling it out. Okay, great, no big deal. So now we're gonna go back with the red brush right here and now we're gonna do it on the inside. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in with the two colors and kind of just concentrate them even more. And I kind of like, sometimes I just kind of fluff it up. And then I'm actually just gonna take, I have a little fluffy brush right here, just a little blending brush, and I'm just going to, for the blue, just kind of lightly go back and over just to kind of soften up that line right there. And then also with the red, I'm just gonna take another kind of fluffing brush, just actually kind of flat, but just to fluff it out a little bit. This doesn't really matter. You can use another blending brush. Okay, so now for the kind of the middle bright part, I'm actually gonna be using, I absolutely love this Jeffree Star Skin Frost right here in Ice Cold. I feel like it's the perfect highlighter. It is so concentrated. Of course, if you do not have a really great highlighter, one of my favorite over-the-counter highlighters is by Wet n Wild, this MegaGlow. It's in the color of Blossom Glow. It is really beautiful. So I do recommend this over the counter. Find it anywhere. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. See how beautiful that is? Oh my gosh. So easy. I'm just gonna actually go up just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna go underneath the eye, real lightly. And then I'm just gonna take the highlighter and just pop it right here in the inside corner. So now for the eyeliner, I'm actually just gonna take my black eyeliner. It's actually from Urban Decay. It's the blackest of black, and I'm just gonna do my waterline first. I know I normally do this last, but I just felt like doing this one first. And I'm just going to kind of flick it just a little bit on this edge because we're gonna connect it with the liquid eyeliner. I always like to take a Q-tip and just lightly kind of fluff it out, slightly. Okay, so now for the liquid eyeliner. So here's what I do. I start it right here. And then sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I do it differently. I'll just kind of do the inside first, why not? And then kind of bring it down, like just like the most minimal line ever, because we're gonna be making it much bigger. And almost kind of connecting that bottom line. The line for where both eyelids meet, and then you're just going to almost flick it out. That's kind of it right there. And then I just like to sometimes do this first, kind of connect it this way before I drag the line the opposite way, like coming in this way. And then a little trick to make your liquid eyeliner line like super black is to go over it with black eyeshadow on a angled brush and just lightly going over the line, almost like patting it in, because the liquid eyeliner is still a little wet. My favorite mascara is the CoverGirl Super Sizer right here. And then do the bottom eyelashes. And now for my favorite part of any makeup look, which is adding your giant eyelashes. Just plop it down right in the center. It's basically ready. And I could just walk like this, but I just basically just kind of touch each set just to make sure it is on. And voila! And now for lipstick. Now my natural thought was to do blue, but I'm not gonna do blue. But I just wanted to show you some blue that I do have, how easy you can get some. I got this Wet n Wild right here, and I also got this really cheap Wet n Wild. They probably have it out right now. Then I happen to have a NYX too. So you can definitely play around with blue. Of course you can do a nude lippie, that'd be really nice. But I'm actually gonna do a red lippie. First gonna use this brand new e.l.f. red right here. This is in the shade of Cherry. I'm actually also going to take this NYX Lippie in Alabama. It's a little more darker red. Kind of put it right over, almost like a lip liner. I am so in love with this very easy patriotic eye, and I cannot wait to sport it all summer long. So let me know if you're gonna do this look, and please, 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 please send me your photos of this really awesome look. I wanna see you all rocking it out. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me those pictures and let me know what you're up to and how fabulous you are. So let's share the positivity. So I wanna thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.